back to Tuesday Tips. I'm Mark Fidgett with your #1 source for real mortgage advice. Today's video is about deposit and down payment. Now they both start with a D, but here's why you need to know the difference. So the best way for me to explain it is with an example. So let's say you've been pre-approved for a mortgage, you're out looking with your realtor, you find a place that you like, and you write an offer. So typically when the offer gets written, you put in there about 10 days for financing, get all your ducks in a row. Well, once you get all your ducks in a row and you're ready to remove subjects, you now have to give a deposit to secure the property. Now, even though your completion date might be, say, 3 months in the future, what's important about this date is if you're doing a zero down or you're doing a cash back, or maybe even you're getting some funds gifted to you from family members, you may not need those gifted funds for about 2 weeks prior to closing, but that's 3 months in the future. Today, you have to remove subjects and you've got to give a deposit. And that can range from anywhere from about $5,000 up. So it's important that you realize that even though you don't complete for 3 months down the road, and that's really when you need your down payment, if you're doing one or using one, you need your deposit now. Now, for those of you that wonder, well, what happens with that deposit? Well, the deposit goes in trust to the real estate firm that has the listing. And that in turn, those funds get sent to the notary or lawyer at closing 3 months down the road. So if you're putting down, say, a down payment of $30,000 and your deposit is $5,000, then the notary is going to take that off of your down payment and say, okay, well, now you only owe $25,000 for your down payment. But really important, and what I see right now is it's important to know that even though you may not need a down payment, or you may be getting cash back, or you may be getting some funds from a relative, it's important that you know that prior to completion, you're going to need some funds for a deposit at subject removal. Remember, any questions? Real simple, 604-273-2002 on the web, www.notapennydown.com. And remember, you can follow me on Twitter at MortgageMark. Lots of tips every day. This video comes out maybe once a week, every 2 weeks, but every day on Twitter, you're going to get some updates. As usual, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.